welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Fashionphile unboxing. I have been really naughty recently and I have been kind of doing a lot of shopping recently, so yeah. For a moment I was on like a saving kicks because, you know, obviously I'm going on my vacation. Probably by the time you see this video I will be on my vacation, but so I really try to save some money because, you know, I can buy some nice luxury goods in Poland that is going to be much cheaper than purchasing here, so I'm trying to save a little bit. But you know, honestly guys, I couldn't pass on those deals. I mean, I'm gonna say a few times a week on Fashionphile website, and you just never know. Sometimes you might find some gems, okay? And the things that I've gotten here, in my opinions, are gems. So those are the small leathers goods that I've purchased, and those are 2 items and they are brand new. And the reason I'm gonna say that they're gems, in my opinion, because I got them under the retail value. So if I was going to buy these items new, at least one of the items, it would cost me more money if I would purchase from the store. On Fashionphile, I got a brand spanking new for under, quite a bit for under the retail price. So let me show you the first item. So obviously this is the box. I did take a look at those, by the way, because I am just noisy and I have to see it. So this is the, I didn't even look at the receipt. This is the, obviously, the Fashionphile receipt, and then you get you know, like a nail file with your purchase. There's like a thank you card. There we go, there's more cards. So let's take a look at the very first item, you guys. So the very first item that I've got, it comes from Chanel. So as you can see, it came with a box, and this is a thin box, so you know it's an SLG. So let's take a look. All right, so when you open it up, Fashionphile always include their own dust bag, so that's what it came. And then obviously it comes with the original dust bag, as well as there is some, there's like a booklet that usually when you purchase anything bags or, you know, the SLGs, you always get some kind of booklet, and there is some information in here. So there's our original tags, obviously. Here's the beautiful velvet dust bag. As you can see, it says Chanel right here. And the item I've got from Fashionphile is dum da da da. So this is a gray iridescent boy medium wallet from Chanel. As you can see, this is from, I think it was 26 series. I'm gonna check on the card just in just a second. It has like a, they're kind of a distress ruthenium, I think it is hardware, and as you can see, it has a little sheen. It's kind of an iridescent, and it's beautiful, isn't it? So if you remember, I have this kind of toned pink color wallet, which is exactly the same size, and I was looking for a new one to purchase, and I had opportunity a couple of months ago to get this beautiful iridescent pink that it's like the newest collection that everybody get obsessed with, which is like the same size with the CCs. But I decided not to get it because I have already one pink and I wanted something darker. So and mine is in lambskin, and this one is like a, this is like more like a calf skin, I would say, because as you can see, there's some you know, like those little pebbles, or maybe it's even a caviar, I don't know, but it's not a lambskin for sure. So I feel like this one might be a little bit more durable, plus, you know, it's darker, so I feel like maybe it will wear a little bit better than my other one. But I absolutely love the size. Obviously it comes with the Fashionphile tags. So let me show you guys inside, because I feel like this wallet is just such a perfect size for me. at least for, you know, for this time. So this is how it looks like inside. So you have you have 2 credit cards in slot in here and 2 on the side over here. So obviously you can have a 4 total, and then you have 2 spaces in here, and there's also room for your coins, which is perfect. It's just awesome. The authenticity card that came with the wallet, so this is a 26 series, as you can see. So it all came with the wallet. So yeah, it's brand new, never used, and I can tell. I mean, it's definitely someone bought it and never really used it. And I like the fact that it's kind of zip around, and it's very lightweight. That's what I liked about those wallets. It's not heavy, and you know, it's all leather. It's made in Spain. Right there, and I think it's really, really beautiful. You know, it's not too many credit cards. You know, I can always carry extra card holder if I need to, but I do have to fold the money because the US dollars are not gonna fit in here, so I'll have to fold it, but doesn't really bother me. I just love the size of this wallet. It's absolutely amazing. So this is how it looks like. I think it's really, really beautiful, and it's not really black. It's more like kind of a gray, kind of steel kind of color, iridescence. Yeah, it's really, really nice. So this wallet, I think it retails for $750, and I got it, I think it was around $600. So I saved, you know, quite a bit of money, because it would be $750 plus tax. So it was definitely worth the price. Okay, the second item that I've purchased, and this was actually the first thing that I put in my cart, and I was kind of like going back and forth. Should I get both, or should just get this one? But I have decided to go for both, and I'm very happy because I'm keeping them both. So anyway, the item that I'm just about to show you guys, just a quick story. This is discontinued. This is from Louis Vuitton, so obviously it comes in the brown box because it's an older item. It's been discontinued for a couple of years, and when they did discontinue, I was intensively looking to buy this. This is wallet, by the way, this wallet again, and I just couldn't find it everywhere. So it's been like a few years like it's been discontinued, and then suddenly I just saw it on Fashionphile, and it was already, I think, on like 10% discount. So I just went for it, you guys. So let me show you this. Comes with the dust bag, and also came with the Fashionphile dust bag as well. So this is the Louis Vuitton dust bag and the wallet that I've got. And I think this is like my unicorn wallet because I wanted it so bad, you guys. And it seems like I would never get it. And usually I don't buy pre-owned wallets unless they're like in excellent condition, because I feel like when they're like good, kind of used condition, it's just not fun anymore. So for wallets, I usually like to go either excellent if I buy pre-owned, or I just buy brand new. So I was very lucky. This one is brand new. So you guys are ready to see it. There we go. How beautiful is this wallet? How stunning. So this is a Sarah compact wallet. Like I mentioned, super discontinued a long time ago. I think it's been at least 3 years like they don't make those. They used to make those in the just a regular monogram, and as well as the vernis, and I was after the vernis. I was just obsessed with this wallet. This is in the series, I think they call it series color, which is this beautiful bright red, and obviously it's in this vernis leather. And honestly, you guys, I only have one handbag that is in this vernis leather, which is the Alma, and I always wanted to have something else, and especially like this wallet. And I know I was looking at some other wallets that they do have that you can still buy from LV, you know, that they still make in these days, but just nothing speaks out to me like this one. I just like the size of the compact wallet, and this one has more credit card slots, more space than the Chanel. Look how beautiful it is. There's 1, 2, there's 3 spots in here. there is 3 on this side. There is a secret pocket right in there. There's a 1 extra pocket up front, and then obviously this is the tags, and then obviously there's a room for your coins as well in here. How beautiful. So yes, I will have to fold the cash in here again, but this one is just, it's just slightly different. You know, it's taller than the Chanel, but it's at the same time, you know, it's not a full size, because they also have obviously a Sarah wallet that it's full size. But I love the layout of this. I feel like it's just so perfect. So you have 6 credit cards, and obviously there's a lot of room. I love to have a little secret compartments in here as well. And then this little compartment here up front, you can always put something in there as well. There's no back pocket. The new Sarah wallet, full-size Sarah wallet, has the back pocket. Those don't. But oh my gosh, I'm like completely in love. So I was a little scared because I wasn't sure how the vernis leather, you know, will work. I know people say that you have to kind of be careful because it can be a color transfer, but you know, I just love it so much, and I wanted for so long that I just decided to get it. So hopefully I'm not gonna have any issues. I inspected this wallet. It's just absolutely beautiful. Here it says Louis Vuitton, as you can see on the button, and it's like a kind of an envelope style. And here's again the back. There we go. This is the side. So as you open, this is how it looks inside. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, right in there under the, you know, little closure. There we go. Now you can probably see it a little better. And again, take a look at the inside. It's absolutely beautiful. So I've seen a couple of reviews of this wallet, people that have it. I was afraid that it's just going to be a little bit like tough. The leather is going to be a little stiff, but no, it's really nice. Yes, some of the people mentioned that there was a color transfer, especially when they had this like a ballerina kind of pink, very kind of light wallet. But this one is absolutely gorgeous, and I don't have anything red, you know, other than I have 1 Chanel bag which is like red, but isn't that beautiful? So this is it, you guys. Those are my 2 beautiful new purchases from Fashionphile. Like I said, you have to keep checking because you might really score and find some unicorns in there for a fraction of the price that you would normally pay. This wallet was also under retail price. Yes, it is, you know, discontinued, but I think I paid about $500 for this one, and originally it was like $695 or something like that. So, you know, I mean, you can always save a little bit, and just the fact that those 2 are brand new is like a bonus. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, let me know if you like it, if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.